I want an eyebrow piercing? Yes. Do I want to pierce my eyebrow? No. Have I loved putting on the half magic things? Yes, I do. But I also just kind of want to put like 2 dots here and see if it looks weird. So literally, it looks weird. Cool. I hate it. Great. Sometimes you try things and it doesn't work out. I think it's because it's above the split. But what if I did it on both sides? So now it's not like a piercing, it's like a design. It's like a design. It's art. Now that I really love. Now that I really love. That looks cool. I'm gonna need to figure out this situation over here. This gap, it's too much. And by too much, I mean I'm just gonna bring this in a little bit because it was looking a little weird. But I'm just gonna do the end here as well, like put a little bit more pencil right here. Now that I love. Now that I love. Here's the thing. Here's my favorite part about makeup. When trying new things, sometimes you have to do something and not like it to get to a place where you really, really are obsessed with it. That I think looks really cool. That is something I could get down with. I legitimately think that I could do that every day as like an added little design. I already add the spikes in, which I adore. When I started regularly doing those, there was no other way that I wanted to do eyeliner. I always want to have spikes now. Do I always include them? No. Do I include them in different varieties? Yes, and it's so fun. I think changing the placement of these would also be really interesting because I do love the piercings that are like directly above, like when you're looking straight forward, the eyebrow piercings that are directly above the pupils. Whoa! Damn! Those look cool. However, me and piercings are having a little fight right now for whatever reason. Some piercings that I've had for a long time have decided to be like, hey. And that is not I don't want to, I'm going to go get some more tattoos. I'm not going to get more piercings currently. I could change my mind tomorrow. But that looks cool. That looks cute. I don't hate that. Sometimes I just want to try something new and see if it lands. It doesn't always, but it's makeup. You can take it off at the end of the day. It's not a big deal. What do you think? Tell me something that you've tried recently that you've really, really loved and has become like a daily thing that you want to do with your makeup. Anyway, thank you so much for being here. Follow me for more makeup content, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!